Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia, and let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. And then what we're going to do is do a cooling flush. This is how we recommend that you run your machine whenever you're doing steam so that you can not burn out the boiler. So now you do a cooling flush until all the big bubbles come, all the steam and big bubbles. Oops, wrong one. You got to do the top one until all the steam and the big bubbles come out. And this way your boiler will never go dry, and you won't melt the heating element. Because if you make your espresso first and steam last, you can melt your heating element. And that's a very expensive repair. So now you can put the portafilter in. And we'll make the shot of espresso. Okay. Go ahead, man. Get a nice shot of espresso. So, thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.